fitted the liner in dry without the seals, and we're just seeing what the protrusion is here, but it seems to be around 4 thousandths of an inch. So that's on 0 there, and that's on 4 thousandths of an inch there, so that's okay. I'll just move it a bit, move it around to here. So, try it again, and that's slightly high, slightly off the 0. Just past the 0 there, and just past the 4 there, so I'll probably just clean it again. That's what I've been doing, and it seems to help. So you do it all the way around. Let's put the 0 because it's easier to try and work out where the heck it is. So that's on the block, and that's me, that's a bit of a problem there. Silly Billy. It was the nut, this nut was hitting that nut, so it was making it jump all over the place. Right, so we're on 0 there, I don't know if you can see that. If we move it around, that's just on the 4 there. So that one's okay. So this is the second liner I'm doing at the moment. I'm waiting on the top seals coming. They sent me the wrong seals. Alright, let's see that there, I think. Magnet on, push. That's just on the 4 again as well, so that's all good. So we're good all round, I think. So this is my trial of my new GoPro 7 on 4K. See how it works like. So that's number 2. What we'll do is we'll mark it in its position, so when we put it back it goes exactly where it is, so we know it will fit. But I will do another clean of all the grooves before we'll put the seals and liners in finally.